So this is going to be a very small, or you can say a short video on this topic circle that I have covered. And if you think you like this video or something, there is a link in description, and you can watch the entire video from there. I have basically covered a circle in this topic and perspective, little bit of shadows and all, and I have given you with an example of light itself. You will see it after little bit after, so you will understand it very more carefully. I have shown also use a ball for perspective itself, perspective of shadow, and I have covered a little bit more stuff in this video. And if you think you really want to watch this video, there I will put the link in description, and you can watch from there. I have also shown that how shadow in circle form. It is not straight; it is around. So this is with light. I am giving you with a very light. You can say I'm just giving you an example of how light and shadow work. How where will be the highlights and all. So yes, if you want to watch the entire video, there's a link. And if you think that video is helpful, just you can say so, and I will make sure the next video I can put a little bit more efforts in that video. So thank you and have a nice day.